Welcome to Equity and Ag, your market update. Stocks kicked off the week on a weaker note Monday, continuing the downward trend from last week as oil prices surged. U.S. crude pushed above $100 a barrel for the first time since 2022, putting pressure on the broader market. The move higher in oil came after comments from President Trump suggesting the U.S. could control Iran's oil market indefinitely, adding more fuel to an already tense global situation. At the close, the S&P 500 slipped 0.4%. The Nasdaq dropped 0.7%, while the Dow managed to edge up 0.1%. Looking ahead to Tuesday, markets will be watching earnings from Nike, along with fresh data on consumer confidence from the Conference Board. We'll also get the latest job openings and labor turnover survey for February, which gives a deeper look at the labor market, even if it's a bit delayed. Oil continues to be a major focus right now, with prices climbing as the conflict with Iran moves into its fifth week. Two key drivers behind the surge are the Houthis getting involved and increasing threats coming out of Washington. In other market news, there's talk of a new rule that could fast-track major IPOs, like SpaceX, onto the Nasdaq if they're large enough. That could temporarily push the index beyond 100 companies. NVIDIA is also in the spotlight, as it continues to act as a major leader for the market. Right now, though, its chart is trending in the wrong direction, which isn't helping overall sentiment. Meanwhile, the Labor Department is proposing changes that would allow alternative investments like private equity into retirement accounts. That news helped lift stocks in that space. On the consumer side, Americans have already spent an extra $8 billion on gas since the Iran conflict began. The national average is now sitting right around $3.99 per gallon. It may look better than $4, but the reality is prices are still climbing, and analysts expect that pressure to stick around for a while. Disclaimer: this is not financial advice. This is for informational and entertainment purposes only. Always do your own research before making any investment decisions.